What roles are the banks playing here exactly by trading in debt tied to Russia?
Banks are acting as intermediaries, so they're buying and selling on behalf of their clients. In some cases, banks can also take on positions on their own books and package certain trades up and offer it up to clients to create opportunities. But I think it's safe to say that they're making markets at the minute.
So, given the war, of course, going on, is there any risk, or how can there not be a reputational damage risk here?
Of course, there absolutely is, and I'm sure there's conversations within the bank, within the different departments and how they manage that. I'm sure one argument that the traders and the trading desk will make is that they're, in some cases, helping clients de-risk and sell their positions. Of course, we know that's not the case across, every circumstance that we've been looking at. They are bidding for some assets as well, so they are selling that on to create some opportunities. But I think one argument could be for them is that they're helping some clients at least de-risk and remove some positions.
So, Laura, how much trading is actually taking place? How much do we know about that?
So we know yesterday JPMorgan traded around $200 billion alone, and we had similar amounts for Wednesday. I think a little bit higher on Wednesday, actually, $300 million, which is way above the daily averages prior to Russia invading Ukraine. So there's a lot of volume going through, and the names that we're seeing being bought and sold are things like Gazprom, Russian railways, a lot of sovereign debt as well is being bid for, and some other corporates as well. So it's quite wide-ranging. They're the main ones that we've been looking at.
So who's on the other side of this trade?
It's a good question. So we do believe from our reporting there are some big hedge funds stepping in. But obviously where that is still, a moving scenario, and we're looking into that. But as one fund manager in the story pointed out, this isn't the time to be looking for distressed opportunities, to be looking for opportunities at all. It's time to rip up that distressed playbook. This is a very difficult time. So I think the fact that hedge funds are stepping in is, creating a lot of questions. And it seems to be quite unsettling across the market for some.